Hello and welcome to OMC Ford here in Oldham. Here we have the Ford Focus 1 litre EcoBoost. It's the ST line edition and it has just got 14,869 miles on the clock and finished in a really nice colour. It's called Desert Island Blue. Now the car has been through a 160 point mechanical check, just for your own peace of mind. It also comes with lots of great features. Now, just to name a few, the car has built-in satellite navigation. You can see the 17-inch rock metallic alloy wheels. You can just pick out there the rear privacy glass. It has cruise control, lane keep assist, Bluetooth, lots of really nice features on this car. Now, if you think that this car could be the car for you, for just £99, you can reserve the car, subject to a view and test drive. We would love to hear from you, so if you'd like to give us a call on 0161 287 4141. Alternatively, you can visit our website. Now, on the website you can also find a finance calculator, which will allow you to book a test drive or request a personalized video highlighting just some more of the features that you would like to see more of. Now, if this is the car you think you are interested in, please give me a quick call. My name is Dean Smith. You can get me on 0161 287 4141. I would really look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.